When it comes to selecting the best materials for exterior doors in Jacksonville Beach's coastal climate, there are several important factors to consider. Jacksonville Beach, situated along Florida's beautiful Atlantic coast, is known for its humid subtropical climate, frequent rainstorms, salty air, and intense sun. These environmental conditions can take a toll on exterior doors if the wrong materials are chosen. To ensure longevity, functionality, and beauty, homeowners need to select door materials that can withstand these challenging elements. Here, we will explore the best materials for exterior doors in Jacksonville Beach and how each option stands up to the area's coastal climate. Fiberglass doors. Durable and low maintenance. Fiberglass exterior doors are one of the best choices for homeowners in Jacksonville Beach. These doors are highly resistant to the salty air and moisture common in coastal regions. Unlike wood doors, which can warp, rot, or swell from prolonged exposure to moisture, fiberglass doors are immune to these issues. They also do not crack or peel due to the intense Florida sun. Fiberglass doors can be made to mimic the appearance of wood, offering homeowners the aesthetic appeal of traditional wood doors without the maintenance headaches. They are energy efficient as well, offering insulation against both the heat in the summer and the cooler temperatures in the winter. Regular cleaning and occasional resealing are all that's needed to maintain these doors for many years. Steel doors. Strong and secure steel doors are another excellent choice for coastal climates like Jacksonville Beach. Steel is known for its durability and strength, making it a highly secure option for exterior doors. It's resistant to warping, swelling, and rotting, which are common issues with wooden doors in humid conditions. Steel doors also offer superior protection against hurricanes and storms, which are an ever-present concern in coastal regions. However, it's important to choose a steel door with a protective coating or finish. Steel can rust over time when exposed to moisture, especially in saltwater environments. Fortunately, modern steel doors come with powder-coated finishes that protect the material from corrosion, even in the salty sea air. Aluminum doors. Lightweight and resistant to rust. Aluminum doors are another great option for homes in Jacksonville Beach. Aluminum is lightweight, resistant to rust, and able to handle the coastal climate with ease. It won't warp, swell, or crack when exposed to humidity or salty air, making it a low-maintenance choice for homeowners. Like steel doors, aluminum doors also offer excellent security, though they are generally not as strong as steel. One of the biggest advantages of aluminum doors is their modern aesthetic and versatility. They come in a variety of colors and finishes, allowing homeowners to achieve the style they desire. Additionally, aluminum doors are energy efficient, as they can be insulated to provide extra thermal protection against the heat of the summer months. Vinyl doors. Affordable and weather-resistant. Vinyl doors are a cost-effective option for homeowners in Jacksonville Beach who want a durable and weather-resistant solution. Vinyl is highly resistant to moisture, and it won't warp, rot, or crack in the salty air. It also does not require much upkeep, as vinyl doors are easy to clean and maintain. They are available in various colors and styles to complement your home's design. While vinyl doors are typically not as secure as steel or fiberglass doors, they are still a strong and reliable option for homeowners who prioritize affordability and ease of maintenance. They also provide good insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures and reduce energy costs. Wood doors. Aesthetic appeal with proper maintenance. Wood doors offer a timeless, classic look that many homeowners in Jacksonville Beach still love. However, wood can be a challenging material in a coastal climate. The high humidity, salt air, and direct exposure to the sun can cause wood to swell, warp, or rot. As a result, wood doors require more maintenance than their fiberglass, steel, and aluminum counterparts. To make wood doors more suitable for coastal environments, homeowners should choose high-quality, durable wood like mahogany or teak. Additionally, regular maintenance, including staining, sealing, and refinishing, will help protect the wood from the elements. While wood doors require more effort to maintain, their aesthetic appeal and warmth make them a great option for those willing to put in the work. Conclusion: choosing the right material for exterior doors in Jacksonville Beach's coastal climate is crucial for ensuring the door's longevity and functionality. Fiberglass, steel, aluminum, vinyl, and wood each have unique benefits, and the right choice will depend on your specific needs. Fiberglass and steel are excellent for durability, security, and low maintenance, while wood doors offer timeless beauty with proper care. By considering the coastal environment and your personal preferences, you can select an exterior door that stands up to the elements and enhances your home's curb appeal for years to come.